What is love?
Love is an unconditional affection which has no limits or condition.
Love is something that comes from the heart.
Love is a strong feeling for somebody who attracted you.
Love between two people is a shared feeling about their interest in one another.
Love is obsession, always wanting to spend time doing something you treasure or spending time with someone you like.
A strong interest in something.
Love is when you surrender with the most little thing you have.
Love is the feeling that makes a little moment with her feel like forever.
Love is the function of priorities.
I believe it is that feeling inside that makes one happy.
Love is a beautiful thing. I'm telling you.
Uthando into eqalayo futhi igcine.
Love is a decision that individual takes to value someone.
Love is taking care of another person without expecting anything in return.
I think love in its purest form is acceptance.
There is a strong feeling of affection.
Love is when you love someone in a way that you can't give them reasons why you love that person.
Love is a feeling that is always there. Nje from uzalwa, it is always there.
Emotions, behavior.
Support each other, guide each other, spending time together, solving problems together.
Love is kindness, love is happiness.
Love is kind. Uthando luyabekezela. Uthando luyinhlonipho.
Love for me is a feeling of warmth and affection that you have towards the person.
Love is a very strong, powerful feeling from our hearts and our mental states.
Uthando ludinga abantu ababili abazo-understandana.
Trust each other.
Respect, care, and support and protection.
Umuntu onothando uyaxolela.
It is not about jealousy.
Equal respect for each other.
Loyalty and respect.
Be honest.
Isisupo sa gore o kgathalla motho.
It is a feeling ecashile. It is a feeling edinga ukuthi izistimulate abantu.
Love is a feeling that makes you feel like you got the world in the palm of your hands.
Love is basically choosing to see the good in people.
Being guided by certain traits.
You love your partner.
Love is joy, pain, forgiveness, pleasure, wrapped in the form of a person and presented to you.
If it brings happiness, that is love.
I think that is complete love.
That is love.
If you find it, don't let it go.
I was inside the plane, a flight to fight every night. It wasn't right.